want to be polyamorous, but you keep running into the same patterns.
The jealousy, the control, the emotional spirals, the way you say you're cool with everything, but deep down inside, your nervous system is screaming.
You've read the books, you've listened to the podcasts. You want to believe this is possible for you, but you keep asking yourself, why does this feel so hard?
You're not broken, but some of your tools might be.
We created You Want to Be Polyamorous, but for exactly this moment in your journey. This 2-hour workshop is designed to help you identify the hidden patterns that are quietly sabotaging your relationships and give you the tools to actually start shifting them.
We're talking letting go of control without losing yourself, building a real practice of self-reflection, understanding how repair actually works, and knowing the difference between discomfort and a red flag.
By the end of this workshop, you'll feel more confident. You'll have tools that you can use immediately. And maybe most important, you'll know you're not alone.
We are two globally known polyamorous educators. We've coached hundreds of people through these exact struggles. And let's be real, we have also had to learn these lessons the hard way.
This workshop was born out of the patterns that we saw over and over again. The same struggles showing up in hundreds of coaching calls. The same fears. The same emotional traps. So we created a space to name them all and to help you move through them.
This workshop is for you if you're afraid your issues mean you're not cut out for polyamory. You feel overwhelmed by how much there is to learn. You're trying to do it right, but you feel messy anyway.
We'll say this plainly. Doing the inner work is fucking hard, but it's also worth it.
And if you come away from this workshop realizing that polyamory might not be for you, that is beautiful too. At least you'll have clarity and tools that are essential in any relationship, polyamorous or not.
So here's what you get. A 2-hour live workshop with Q&A throughout, the full replay to watch anytime, and a 50-page workbook to go deep at your own pace.
All for $50. And if that cost is out of reach for you right now, just email jessica@remodeledlove.com. We have mutual aid options waiting for you.
There are just a few spots left for the August 17th live event, so reserve your spot today.